And welcome to the channel. On today's video, I want to share with you guys something really interesting called sports arbitrage. I've been talking about sports arbitrage a lot on this channel, but I get the sense that most of you don't know what it is and how to go about it and how to actually make money with it. So simply put it this way, I have prepared a course for you guys, but before we dive into the details of the video, I just want to thank you all for the subscribing, the comments and everything. As you can see, currently we have up to 283 subscribers, guys. So thank you so much. We have 283 subscribers, so thank you for the support, the love, and every positive feedback and also the negative feedback. It helps in growing the channel and everything like that. And if you are just new here, you are welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. So back to the main video, I'll be teaching you guys something called sports arbitrage. Okay, you can watch any of my videos on YouTube on the channel here. You will know what sports arbitrage is about, but I just want to give you guys a short rundown of what this sports arbitrage is about. Okay, so simply put it this way, sports arbitrage, you can read all of this stuff on Wikipedia, but simply put it this way, sports arbitrage is a way that you make money through sports betting where you don't lose any of your money. Okay, let me put it this way. For example, a match between Man City and let's just use this FA Cup, which is coming up. I think it's today or tomorrow on the 3rd. So for example, we say Man City has Man United in the FA Cup final. There is an odd of over 2.5. Okay, let's say 2.5. We'll use 2.5 as an example. Okay, over 2.5. Okay, and the over 2.5 on, for example, on 1xbet is showing 1.90. Okay, then on that 1xbet is showing over here. Then the under is showing, they're giving us example 3. Okay, so sport arbitrage occurs when these odds are different from the ones on different bookmakers. For example, there might be an odd of 1.90 on 1xbet, but on NigerBet there is an odd of 2.50. Okay, so we make difference of those odds. So for example, NigerBet has an odd of 2.50, okay, for over 2.5 on this match, while in 1xbet they have an odd of 3. So what we'll be doing simply is that we'll be playing both under 2.5 and over 2.5, but we will be doing it on 1xbet and on NigerBet. So that's what we'll simply be doing. But I want to just tell you guys and clarify things real quick. You will not be losing any money. Okay, one will win, one will lose. That's the beauty of this strategy. Okay, if you say 2.5, if you say 2.5, okay, as we all know, there cannot be over 2.5 goals and at the same time over 2.5 goals in the same match. Okay, so one will win and the other will not win. Okay, so the one that will win, for example, all these over 2.5 wins, the money that you put here, you will be able to get back your capital. You'll be able to get your capital plus your initial investment. Okay, so you'll be able to get back your capital that you use on both okay, on both stakes, that is on 1xbet and on NigerBet. Okay, and at the same time you're able to make your profit. Okay, I don't want to go deep into the video, guys, because I don't want to explain what I will be telling you in the course, because it will seem useless now. Okay, and what I'm telling you is just a crash course. What I'm telling you on this video is just a crash course. Okay, so that you know what you are getting into, right? You know what you are getting into. So just to read this stuff real brief, betting arbitrage is an example of arbitrage arising on betting markets due to either bookmakers, that is bookies, differing options on events, outcomes, or errors. So that's just what we are saying. We will be betting on different bookies with different odds, and we'll be locking in a profit. So it's just to play the bet and go and sleep. Simply put it that way. And I've been doing this over 4 years, guys. So I just want to show you guys real quick my betting accounts, so that you know that this is something I've been doing for so long, guys. I'm not new to it. Okay, let me just show you my account for last month. I don't usually do this. Okay, so these ones you see loss here, I do the ones you see red here are the ones that lost. When it losses here, it means it has won on the other betting platform, either Niger Bet, Breaking Bet, Niger Bet, Bet King, and all those ones like that. So as you can see, guys, you can see all the green ones. So we use different bookies. Okay, it does not matter the country you are in, you will simply be able to still make money with it. It doesn't really matter the country. Okay, it doesn't matter the country. I'm Nigeria, so I use Nigerian bookies because it's easier for me, and I'll also be teaching you how to actually navigate through the bookies, what you need to do, what you need to avoid, so that you can make more money. Okay, what you need to do, the things you need to check out, the things you need to be verifying, all those stuffs like that, so that you can actually make more money, guys. Okay, so this is that of Niger Bet. As you can see here, profit, all those stuff like that. Just to clarify things, that we use different bookies, guys. Okay, different bookies. So far I've been able to make more than 2 million naira from this. Okay, the ones you see where normally they lost means they won on the other side. So this is my bet power as well. So I use different bookies. Okay, on a daily basis I make about 10k. Okay, 10k, 10k daily. Okay, just imagine you make 10k daily. Okay, this is what you can make. This is what I am making, and I know you also can make it. Okay, just say 10k times 30 days. Okay, that's how much? 300k that you are making in a month, guys. Is this not amazing? 300k in a month. Let's just say you make even, let's just say 5k. Okay, let's say 5k, which is not, which is a small amount. 5k times 30, that's 150k you are making in a month, where you don't lose any bloody money. Okay, so far what I'm saying simply is this: there's a course I've prepared, okay, for you guys. Yeah, there's a course I've prepared. Normally I give this course at a price of 60,000 naira. Okay, I don't know the currency you are using, or the currency, but you can get this course directly. If I'll drop the link in the description. You can get it at this price and all those stuffs like that. This is the course, guys. Okay, this is the course. You can just buy it directly from here and all this stuff. This is, yeah, this is the course. So you can buy this course directly. It teaches you basically everything. Okay, everything I know for the past 4 years, which is really amazing, because there are a lot of things that most people have sports arbitrage courses and they don't put in, because they don't want their students to know more than them or make more money more than them. My problem is not you making more money more than me. My problem is that you are able to do this and do it well. When you make money, I'll be happy. I'm happy when people make money with the little that I know. Okay, so these are my secrets for the past 4 years that I'm putting into this course. So make sure you get this course. I'm not giving it at 60k. Okay, it's not 60,000. I know things are hard everywhere, especially for my brothers in Nigeria. Things are hard. Okay, I'm giving this course at 10k, 10,000 francs, 10,000 naira, 10,000 naira for the first 100 people that will get this course at 10,000 naira. Okay, at first it was 5, but it was, at first it was 5,000 naira, but the amount of people who have bought it is already more than the number, so I have increased it to 10,000 naira for the first 100 people. At first it was 5,000 naira for the first 200 people. Okay, now it's 10,000 naira for the first 100 people. Okay, and another bonus you'll be getting is because that you will not only get the course. Okay, you'll be getting access to me as well. Okay, where I will be teaching you everything as well, not just from the course I've presented to you, but also a deep, detailed analysis of everything, guys. A deep, detailed analysis of everything that you need to know. Okay, so this is something you need to dive into now. Okay, now the course is just 10K. Okay, if you want the course, just let me know in the comment section, or you are interested in sports arbitrage, let me know in the comment section. Okay, the course is 10K. It's 10K, just 10K. Ask yourself this question: since you have started doing sports betting, have you not lost more than 10K? Okay, what will happen if you can sacrifice this 10K and learn this stuff, and where you can be able to make more than 10K in a day? There are times I make 50K in a day. There are times I make 10. There are times I make 5. So, and at the end of the day, I make a lot of money with this stuff. Okay, so this again, this is something you should join and dive into now. Okay, this is unlimited promotion, guys. So just to let you know, the first 100 people will get it at 10K. After the first 100 people, it will increase to maybe 15K, or I just put it back to 60K back, because this is something people don't know. People don't teach this. The little people who know sports arbitrage, they don't teach it, because it is something that makes a lot of money. Okay, and I remember learning sports arbitrage or someone which I paid 50K, and the person taught me nonsense. So I had to learn it on my own, and I'm teaching you from my experience. Okay, I don't want to prolong the video, so get this course, guys. I urge you to get this course. Some of us have lost a lot of money on Ponzi schemes, ML, and all those rack steady stuffs, and Print Pro, all those stuffs, where you invest money and you lost money. Yeah, you don't lose anything. All of the money is in your hands. You are the one who controls all of the money. Okay, so you'll be learning how to actually do sports arbitrage with no risks, zero risks. You don't lose anything. Okay, so get the course, and I'll see you down.